Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I'll inform you about the topic cardinal abbreviations of railways. So let's start. It is acronyms, and here I'll inform the meaning of the acronyms. AC, air conditioned. SCC, air conditioned class or coach. SCCC, air conditioned chair car. ART, accident relief train. ARTS, Advanced Railway Ticketing System. ASM, Assistant Station Master. AWS, Auxiliary Warning System. BESA, British Engineering Standard Association. BG, broad gauge. BPS, Blue Parcel Service. CBO, City Booking Office. CC, chair car. CCS, Chief Commercial Superintendent. CCTV, Closed Circuit Television. CEE, Chief Electrical Engineer. CHA, Custom House Agent. City, Control Tower. ESM, Electronic Signal Maintainer. ETA, Estimated Time of Arrival. FC, First Class. FEDL, Fully Electrified Double Line. FOB, Foot Over Bridge. FOIS, Freight Operation Information System. FT, Foreign Tourist. JOH, Junction of Head. LB, Lower Berth. LC, Level Crossing. LV, Lost Vehicle. NG, Narrow Gauge. RAC, Reservation Against Cancellation. PRS, Passenger Reservation System. PNR, passenger name record. TDR, ticket deposit receipt. WL, waiting list. IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. UB, upper berth. NR, Northern Railway. SCP, alarm chain pulling. RJQ, return journey quota. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friend again for watching this video. Have a lovely day.